Hi, may I speak to Steve?
Yeah, this is Steve.
My name is Titus Peterson with Infinity Investment.
What's going on, y'all? Steve Peterson here with Infinity Investments, sitting with my future CEO, Titus Peterson, on summer break, and he in here learning the ropes. Now, we got 2 clients who are active 1031 exchanges right now, and there's no way we're going to let our clients pay taxes. So we are looking for properties that are off market before we close escrow on the down leg, all right? So I'm teaching this young man, we're role playing right now. I'm teaching him our scripts. He is not making actual cold calls. I am making the cold calls, but I'm teaching him to role play. So I'm gonna do it. So when I call somebody, we got 2 exchangers looking for buildings. I'm gonna hit them with this. Hi, man, speak to Stan. Hi, Stan. My name is Steve Peterson with Infinity Investments. I'm giving you a call about your property at XYZ Independence Road. Yes, I'm calling you as I represent a buyer who's in an active 1031 exchange. Now, I know you're not marketing your place for sale. I just wanted to see if you'd be open to a discussion about a sale if the price and terms are right. Boom. And that's our icebreaker. Now, this young man is about to attempt the icebreaker. And he's going to be calling me. Let's see what he got. Sit up.
Hi, may I speak to Steve?
Yeah, this is Steve.
My name is Titus Peterson with Infinity Investment. I'm calling you about your property at 10549 Englewood Drive.
Okay.
As we represent a buyer in an active 1031 exchange, and I know you're not marketing this property for sale, I just wanted to see if you would be open to a discussion about a sale if the price and terms are right.
I'm sold. I'm ready to do a deal. Good job, young man. Give me a high five, man. All right. Learning the ropes, baby. And we never sleep when our clients are in exchanges. We will do what it takes to find you a deal that makes sense for your investment plan. Logging off. Peace out.